Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Gushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic nasal drop as a monophasic liquid dosage form from pharmaceutics 2. Topics to be covered are as follows: introduction to monophasic liquid dosage forms, classification of liquid dosage form, nasal drop as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in a one-phase system. It is represented by a true solution. A true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. The component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as a solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as solute. The classification of liquid dosage form. It is divided into main two classes: the liquid meant for internal administration and liquid meant for external administration. In case of a liquid meant for internal administration, it is of three types: mixture, syrups, elixirs. And second class, that is a liquid meant for external administration, it again divided into three types: liquid for oral cavity, which is taken by mouth, liquids instilled into body cavities, and liquids applied on skin. So liquid meant for external administration, in that liquid for oral cavity which is taken by mouth, it is again of three types: gargles, mouthwashes, and throat paints. Liquids instilled into body cavities, it is again of a three type: douches, ear drops, and nasal drops. And liquids applied on the skin, it is again of a three types: sprays, liniments, and lotions. So today we will discuss in detail about the nasal drop. These are the aqueous solution used for instillation into nostril. The oily vehicles are not used because they inhibit the movement of a cilia and it produced lipoid pneumonia. These are isotonic with the blood plasma. Phosphate buffer of pH 6.5 is used as a vehicle. Use of nasal drop: it is used as antibacterial and also used as in the nasal decongestion. Example: ephedrine nasal drop BPC, Rx, ephedrine 0.5 gram, chlorbutyl 0.5 gram, sodium chloride 0.5 gram, and water up to 1000 ml. Prepare the nasal drop, send 30 ml. Directions: place 2 to 3 drop in each nostril as directed. Storage and labeling. Container: nasal drop should be packed in colored fluted glass bottle and supplied with dropper. Labeling conditions: for external use only. And the storage: nasal drop are supplied in a well closed glass container in a cool place. In today's presentation, nasal drop monophasic liquid dosage form, the learning outcomes are: first, what are the monophasic liquid dosage forms? Second, classification of liquid dosage form. And third, we will discuss in brief about nasal drop as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Thank you.